Hi everybody, I'm here today to tell you why Motor City Spindle Repair is a perfect fit to support Timken manufacturing locations across the U.S. with their precision spindle repair. We rebuild all types of high-speed, motorized and high-frequency grinding spindles, ID, OD, cylindrical, surface grinding spindles, all the major OEMs, Bryant, Redhead, Heald, Whitnon, Toyo, GMN, like I said, motorized, belt driven, up to 120,000 RPM. We use the latest and best technology for all of our testing, balancing equipment to verify every spindle is good, documented vibration analysis, temperature analysis, but beyond our ability to rebuild your typical, ID, OD grinding spindle, what I think really sets us apart from our competitors is our ability to rebuild some of the less common spindles and grinding applications that other people cannot do. We have the best-in-class in-house machining and grinding capabilities. What this allows us to do is to rebuild universal heads, hydrostatic spindles, centerless grinders, creep feet spindles, OEMs such as Toyota, Landis, Magerly, Parker Majestic, Microsa, just to name a few. We have the ability, and unique ability really, to reverse engineer and design and manufacture new grinding spindle shafts, quills, housings if needed, and like I said, what I feel like this really sets us apart from our competitors. All spindle rebuilds come with a 1-year in-service warranty. We also do in-depth failure analysis and upgrades. These often also include an extended warranty of 2 years, sometimes even 3 years. So please reach out if you have any questions. You can schedule a live video tour of our shop facility at your convenience, or we are always willing to come to your facility and meet face-to-face, do a little meet and greet or a lunch and learn, just to tell you a little more about who we are and why I think we'd be a great fit to support you with precision spindle repairs. Thank you.